Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to come on and talk about my Boxycharms that I've received this month. I did not do a video last month, but a couple items that were in that box that were pretty good is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara. I have not used this. I'm going to send this to my friend Sylvia because she loves this mascara. And being that we think that Marc Jacobs is totally redoing his line, we're not sure what's going to be in there. If this will remain or go away, I don't know. And there was also a Lorac unzipped palette in there, the little mini one. And I do have it. I didn't bring it over here, but I do have that. I have not used it. I may give it away. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, let's go ahead and let's go ahead and show you the July box. And when I get to the end, I'll probably change the subject and we'll talk about something else, like weight loss and why I'm not doing a weight loss video this week. Okay, this is the basic box. I have the basic box and the premium. And the basic box, it's called Fantasy, as in C. Of course, the basic box is $25. After taxes and stuff, it ends up being $27 something. And of course, the links will be left below. And I'm not affiliated with Boxycharm. They don't know who I am. I pay for my boxes myself. So just so you know. Okay, the first thing, and this was, I did get to choose one item. You know, sometimes if you read your email in time, you can choose your item. Or you can just let them surprise you, whatever. Anyway, I did choose this. This is the Pharmacy Beauty Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser with moringa and papaya. I have not used it yet, but I did choose this one, and I look forward to using it because I do love pharmacy products. Okay, I'm not going to show you the last thing until last. Okay, the next one is, okay, this is Basic Beauty Lip Oil. I have not even, some of this stuff I did look at because one of them I've been using. It's just a clear oil, lip oil. I'll put some on. I have on the City Beauty. What is this one? Blush Rose lip color right now. And this is it's just clear. It feels like a nice lip oil. Let's see how much that costs. Okay, I didn't tell you how much. The whipped green cleanser is $28. The lip oil is $18. All right. The Generation Skin, what's it say? Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches. So these are eye patches. Some eye patches, I don't know the point. I've bought some. The only ones I ever found that really did anything was the Wonder Beauty ones. But I know some I bought at Walmart. I'm like, what's the point? There's no solution, it feels like, on them. And I don't feel they're doing anything. I mean, maybe I just got a bad batch or something. But I just didn't feel they were doing anything. Hopefully these will have some solution on them. Comes in a jar. Comes with a spatula. No scent. These look pretty nice. They're $49.99, so they should be. So I might have to try these tomorrow when I get ready. I like to use them while I'm, you know, getting ready. I could do my eyes. Normally I do my eyes first, but I could do my eyes last. Again. Okay, this is the Alley Oop Pen Pal 4-in-1 Makeup Pen. Now, I've seen some people using this. I think what it is that, let's see what it says. For when you need a quick touch-up on the go and don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you, Pen Pal is the convenience of 4 essential products in one easy-to-use Clash Stick pen. Just click down on a color and apply for a fresh, natural look whenever you can. Well, that really don't tell me what it is. I'm assuming it's a brow or an eyeliner. Now, I have tried one of these from Benefit Cosmetics, and I didn't like it. I think it didn't go very well. It's very, I mean, I'm using it right now. Okay, that color's not bad. That's a lip liner. But that brow that I just used, that's too harsh. And this, I guess, is to wear on your tight line. You can't see it on my skin tone. It blends in. But this is all right. I don't, so you can't even get it to go back up. To unclick. So I'm too impressed with this. This is $25. I don't think it's worth $1 from the dollar store. So that's just my opinion. And then my favorite thing from this box is this. It's called Better Than Bitter Flower. Better not better. Better not bitter. I can't even read. Setting powder. This is from the Beauty Bakery. The color I have is Oat Translucent. And that's kind of what it looks like. And it is translucent. But this powder, very finely milled. It has the topper like that circles around. And let's see if I can show it to you. That's what it looks like. And it will blend into your skin. Blurs all your perfections. I don't have any powder on right now other than my bronzer. So let's put a little bit on my nose. Did I bring a brush over here? Probably not. But you can see how it blurred my nose. Anyway, this stuff is amazing. I love it. I would definitely buy another one. And I may go ahead and buy the banana colored one. Because I like a banana powder. Sometimes just to wear over my skin. And no foundation. So that's that box. Now for the exciting box. Okay, this premium box this month was a takeover box. And a takeover box means a brand takes it over and puts in just their products. And of course, if you've not seen this or not seen it on Instagram or Facebook or wherever, this is Norvina. Norvina by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And of course, this box is $35. You have to have been a member of the basic box. You must have received that at least one time before you can move up to premium. Now, once you get to the premium, you can cancel the basic if you want to. Now, I will be canceling the basic here before long and just getting the premium box. Because to me, the premium box, you get more for your money, especially when it's a brand takeover. So let's save the best for last, or save the most thing I think people want for last. Okay, this is the lip color, which I have not opened, that came with it. This is a liquid lipstick. This color is Heather's. And it looks like it's a bright color. I decided just to do nude today since my eyes are kind of... And I think I've had this color before. This is a great color in the winter. I would not put it with this box, but that's me. And her liquid lipsticks are not my favorite. They are a little too drying for me. Now, I know most of them are drying, but nothing like them. I mean, to me, nothing compares to the liquid lipsticks from City Beauty and Ofra Cosmetics. Those are the best. Okay, the next thing is this Anastasia Loose Highlighter. Now, I do have it on. I lightly dusted it on my, right through here, so I don't know how much you can see of it. It's not as dark as it looks. You mostly, when you put it on, you mostly just see the shimmer and see the lids wanting to come off, and that's, I'm going to have to be careful with it. But let's see if I can get a good swatchy-roo of it. I don't think you can see it. maybe. See, it's not nothing like it looks in the pan. All right, maybe that's better. Yeah, you can see it now. It's pretty. It's not the, you know, my most favorite or anything like that. I haven't told you the prices though. Of course, you know, Anastasia's prices. Okay, the loose highlighter is $25. The liquid lipstick is $25, I think. No, $20. Okay, the bronzer. Now, the bronzer I have on the Clinique Even Better Serum Foundation today. And then this is the bronzer that I put on. Very nice bronzer. I will definitely get my use out of this one. I'm trying to see the color. Saddle. The color is Saddle, and it's the perfect color for me. So the bronzer, I said, or did I say $25? No, $28. Okay, and then we got the Brow Definer, which I am wearing. I have, this is dark brown. Now, I probably would have bought ash brown if they had it, or soft brown, but this will do. Now, I do like a brow definer. That's what it looks like. So you can see, I do enjoy it. I did like it when I used it today. You can see my brows. So I would use that. I would use this over the pencil that everybody loves. It is $23. And then this is the Shimmer Body Oil, which I do have on my arms, but I've not sprayed it anywhere else. But we'll spray it on my décolleté here. It does have a light vanilla scent. I've got on the BK Beauty Lisa J Makeup's brand t-shirt that the first thing she launched before the brushes. I bought one. And I love this shirt. Last year it was tight on me. This year it's too big, but that's a good thing. I mean, it's really comfortable now. Okay, and of course the last thing is, you know, what the highlight, I think, for most people would be, and that is the palette. This is the ABH Norvina Volume 1 palette that she came out with. It's not an eyeshadow palette, it's a Pro Pigment palette. It's what I'm wearing. Now, I noticed in the viewfinder, this eye is darker than this one, but whatever. You know how I feel about that. I'm not a makeup artist, don't claim to be. And of course, I don't know if I'll be able to show it much because of that stupid mirror. Now you're seeing everything that I got on my thing, my Diet Pepsi. Okay, that's what it looks like. It's gorgeous. The formula is different from the regular palettes, I believe. You know, from the 12 pan or 10 pan ones that are under the regular Anastasia umbrella. These are, you know, I'm going to show you this, a couple of these purples. If you're not a fan of the other ones, you might like these palettes. See that? Don't be afraid of it. Don't be afraid of it. And let's do 05, the black one, so you can see. I don't want to get it on my shirt. There, you can see the black one. It's beautiful. Beautiful. And let's do a couple of the shimmers. There's the pink. And I should have brought over well, I've got that one thing here I can do. Let's do this shimmer. Those. And let's do that bluish purple one. It's beautiful. I mean, I could have chosen it. I did choose this one. They let you choose which one you wanted if you got in there in time. So I did choose which one I wanted. And these, I guess I should have done my shoulders and stuff like Tati does. Maybe one day I'll be so thin that I could use my stomach like some people do. No, I doubt that. Maybe if I was younger. Anyway, I do like this palette a whole lot. I'll probably be using this a while before I get tired of it, because there's so many colors I can choose from. Now that palette is $60. Now they do have this on sale sometimes, and I think the newest one is supposed to be the sister or brother to this one. Volume 5 maybe. Okay. So this worked out to be, I think, $196 for a $35 box. And you also got a coupon for buy one, get one 50% off that you can use on Anastasia's website. So that's a good deal. If you know, I thought about buying her foundation, because I do like that foundation pretty good, especially in the wintertime. So I don't know. May not buy anything. Don't really need to. I've been getting rid of stuff. I got up trash this morning. I'm throwing away stuff that I'm not used in several years, that I don't know why I hold on to it, but I'm trying to get rid of my hoarder mentality for the most part. Now, I'm not going to say I will never get rid of everything. I can't afford to replace some of the things I've got. So I would never get rid of everything, but I'm going to get rid of stuff I've not used and it would never pass on to somebody else. So on the weight loss portion, I said the reason I wasn't doing any because I didn't lose this week. Well, I did go down to 176 even. I think last week it's 176.2. But I did splurge yesterday and went to Buffalo Wild Wings and ate. So I didn't even weigh this morning because I figured I was up, because I ate until I was miserable. I hadn't had Buffalo Wild Wings in over a year before the pandemic, so I really wanted to just let myself go for a day because the last time we've been by, they were open, and of course yesterday, they don't have no help. I mean, these places cannot find help, and it's just really sad. And I don't think it really has anything to do with unemployment anymore. I just think people don't want to work. They found a way to make it without working, and they just don't want to work. So, I don't know. It's just a strange time we're living in. And you've got some companies over here letting people go because, you know, they say that they don't need them right now, but they'll need them back at Christmas, and they'll call them back then. So what do the people that do in the meantime when, you know, either they... And I mean, most of the time, these people who are not eligible for unemployment. So for 3 or 4 months, they just starve. I don't know. It's just a strange time we're living in. That's all I know. So I'm going to shut up, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're watching my daily IGTV videos where I just chat on my way to work about whatever's on my mind. And if you've not checked those out, then check those out over on Instagram. Of course, my Instagram is always listed below. And I'll be back on Friday with a video on makeup and beauty news, or not makeup and beauty news, makeup and skincare news. So I'll talk to y'all later. Love ya. Bye.